In today's video we are going to continue our previous video and add new points that are in the balance sheet, so let's begin. Ratio is one of the most important ratios to analyze a stock. It gives us the idea of how much the stock is overvalued or undervalued in the current scenario. It is calculated by the market value by the earnings per share. If the market price is higher than its EPS, the stock is considered overvalued and vice versa. Next, CAGR. It is used to calculate the total returns of the company over few years. Its compounded growth gives us the information how much previous shareholders earned from the stock. Profit and loss statement is the chart which shows us about the profits of the company, how much tax it has paid, its liabilities and everything related to money. There are two options in profit and loss statement of a company. One is standalone, which gives us the profit and sales made by the headquarters, and consolidated, which gives us full report about all its branches including headquarters. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.